Hi, I'm Marshall Cohen from Antonini Cohen Immigration Law Group, and I'm here today to talk with you about an update on the Family Unity Parole in Place program. On August 19th, USCIS began accepting applications for the newly expanded Parole in Place program. Parole in Place may enable you to apply for permanent resident status without having to leave the U.S. if you're otherwise eligible. But several states filed a lawsuit to block the program. And on August 26th, a U.S. District Court judge in Texas issued a 14-day stay or pause to hear the case. But during this stay, the application process remains open. In other words, the court is allowing USCIS to continue accepting applications, but the court is not allowing USCIS to issue decisions. So if you're considering applying for parole in place, we urge you to file immediately before this current stay expires. Schedule a consultation with one of our Antonini Cohen attorneys. We'll determine your eligibility for parole in place and counsel you on your immigration options. At Antonini Cohen, we know how.